Hello, my name is Mr. Duxon and I'll be your instructor for this Introduction to Christianity presentation titled The Nature of God. The purpose of this presentation is to delineate the major characteristics, qualities, and attributes of God. The God of the Bible stands apart from all other gods in a number of ways, and what God is cannot be totally absorbed by the human mind, though many of his attributes or traits are mentioned in Scripture, such as his being life, light, just, good, patient, and kind. To begin with, the Bible teaches that God is eternal. He has always existed. He exists now and he will always exist. There was never a time when God was not. He was not born and he was not created out of something else. There is no such thing as before God. Likewise, he will never grow old. He will never die and he will never be killed. For the constraint or limitation of time was invented by him. He is not bound by it. He will always be there forever and ever. God's having invented time points to the fact that God is also a creator. The pre-existent God created everything. And the one who created us and the world in which we live is completely self-sufficient. God does not need anyone or anything. The attributes of God can be divided into two types. Some of them can be easily described and others